What's up, y'all? Dano back in the Dan kitchen doing the Dan thing. The creator of Danos, the creator of the Pop Pop, and that Yum Yum Get You Some. You guys, I'm telling you what, I got one of my most viral videos for you and one of my easiest recipes for you. I'm taking these red potatoes and I'm gonna turn them into the best tasting potato you ever Dan had. And it's gonna be real easy, even if you don't know how to cook. I promise you, you can do this. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, give me a follow, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this. I got my oven preheated to 400. So I'm gonna take my red potatoes and I'm simply just gonna cut them in half. So we're just gonna cut them all in halves and then pay attention, because after I get them cut in half, this is basically the most important part to this recipe. All right, y'all, so after you get your potatoes cut in half, this is the most important part. Get you a sharp knife, but maybe not the sharpest knife in the kitchen, because you don't want to cut yourself. Because what I'm gonna do here is well, maybe you don't need to hold it in your hand like me either. We can lay it on the cutting board just like this to be safe. And we're gonna cut down about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch, and we're gonna put us a little tic-tac-toe pattern in there, just like this, so you can see our potato is nice and split open. It's ready to absorb that flavor of the Danos. What we're getting ready to do is mix some butter, some Parmesan, and some Danos all together, and we're gonna bake them. It's gonna soak up in this potato, leave a crispy herb crust, and it's gonna be the best potato you ever had. So just continue to cut our potatoes like so. Just make sure you don't cut all the way through like I just almost did right there. You can see that bad boy's almost cut in half. It's all right, it's just a potato, it's not gonna ruin anything. But we like to keep things pretty, if you know what I mean. I told you that this is a super easy recipe and that anybody can do it. The only thing that's actually hard about this is making sure you don't cut yourself, and it's just a little time consuming to cut all these potatoes. But other than that, I'm telling you, wait till we get to the easy parts. Anybody can do this. So easy. Best potatoes you will ever have in your life. All right, so now it's time for the easy part. I got me 1 stick of unsalted butter. I always use unsalted butter because I'm not a salty person, if that makes sense. Are you salty? I'm not salty.
Are you salty? I'm not salty.
That's why I like low sodium seasoning, because I can use more of it without making things too salty. That's why Danos is the best seasoning on the market. Low sodium, all natural, real flavor, no sugar, no chemicals. And we got a spicy one too. So let me cut this stick of butter in half. So we're gonna use half a stick of butter. You can use more if you want, but you really don't need it. So just 1/2 stick of butter is all you need. And I'm gonna get this melted up for us real quick. There we go. We'll let that finish. The butter's done. So here's how we're gonna do this. This is where it gets easy, my friends. I got my 1/2 stick of butter melted, right? We got us a 13 by 9 pan. I'm gonna throw that right in there. Butter. I got me probably a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I didn't actually measure it out, but I'm just gonna throw my Parmesan cheese in the butter. And now you can go either Dano's original or the spicy. You know me, they're low sodium, all natural, but you know me, I'm not salty and I'm spicy, so I'm going with the spicy Danos. So we're gonna pop this top just like that. Like I told you earlier, I am the creator of the Pop Pop. Where that comes from is this trigger finger right here, and that's when we grab that bottle and we go pop, 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 you know what I mean? So that's the Pop Pop, you got me? So you can get that online, danoseasoning.com. We also got a bunch new hats, new t-shirts, all that cool stuff. But check this out, I'm gonna take my spicy Danos and I'm gonna pop this trigger finger just like this, and I'm gonna put a good coating, about 1/2 and 1/2. I'm gonna match that Parmesan cheese in there, so about a 1/4 cup of each. I know you think it might be looking like it's a lot, but it's not. I promise you it's a beautiful thing of low sodium. Get you a little spatula, and we're just gonna mix this in. And basically what we're gonna do is mix that in with the butter, and it's gonna create a paste for us. But now we can spread that evenly, thinly. It doesn't have to be thick at all. Trust me. Wait till you see these end results. You're gonna be like,
Wow, I'm doing that.
make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment when you do try this, and thank me for the recipe. Don't give any negativity, because I'm not even gonna listen to it, because I know if you're negative about this, I know you didn't try it. That's for sure. I said the hardest part about this recipe was cutting the potatoes. No, it's actually probably doing this, but me being me, I don't have all the professional spatulas and everything like that. I'm not Rachel Ray, I'm not Gordon Ramsay, I'm Dano. So, that is spread around as good as it needs to be. So now we take our potatoes. This is all you gotta do. Just pop them in, face down, just like that. And we're just gonna fill up this tray. And then we're gonna enjoy the best potatoes you ever had. And they're gonna be
Damn good.
So there you have it. Now that we got this ready, we're going in the oven, got the oven preheated to 400, and we're gonna throw them in there for about 30 minutes. We'll probably check them at about 25, but it's gonna be about 30 minutes. They're gonna be perfect, so stick around. All right, you guys, so now it's time to get a little tasty taste. So come on in here, I want you to look at this. Look at this. I know it looks burnt around the edges. It's all right. Wait till you see this right here. That, my friends, is the
Perfect potato.
See how you got the slits? That butter seeped in there. You got the Danos and Parmesan crusted on there. Now, let's get us a bite. You guys, I just showed you how to make the best potatoes. That butter, that Parmesan, the spicy Danos, best potatoes you'll ever have. There's other ways to do potatoes, but this is my favorite. You guys, if you like this, make sure you leave a comment, give me a like, try it for yourself. Let me know what you think. Get you a bottle of Danos, danoseasoning.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know I love you. Keep sprinkling. We'll see you next time.